A clogged heat exchanger can cause the system to overheat and trigger safety switches designed to protect the equipment and occupants. A heat exchanger moves heat from combustion gases or a heating source into the air or fluid that warms a home, so any blockage restricts the flow of heat and raises metal temperatures beyond safe limits. When buildup of soot, ash, scale, or debris reduces the effective surface area or blocks passageways, heat cannot transfer efficiently and hot spots form on the exchanger walls. High local temperatures cause safety sensors or limit switches to open, shutting the system down to prevent cracks, warping, or ignition of nearby materials. To diagnose this at an expert level, start with a visual inspection using a flashlight and mirror for accessible sections, and use a combustion analyzer to check for abnormal stack temperatures and carbon monoxide patterns. For cleaning, follow manufacturer guidance. Use non-metallic brushes, low-pressure compressed air, or approved chemical cleaners, taking care not to damage thin walls or seals, and always decontaminate surfaces if soot is present. If inspection reveals pitting, cracks, or thinning metal, replace the heat exchanger rather than attempting repair because structural failure can lead to hazardous gas leaks. Common issues include incomplete combustion or soot accumulation from poor fuel mixture, which clogs passages and raises temperatures. Correct this by verifying fuel pressure, burner adjustment, and performing a thorough combustion tune-up. Another frequent problem is restricted venting or flue obstructions that reduce draft and cause gases and particulates to linger. Clear the vent, confirm proper slope and pitch, and measure flue draft during operation to ensure safe exhaust flow. Third is deferred maintenance, where small buildups become severe over time. Implement a scheduled inspection and cleaning interval based on operating hours and manufacturer recommendations, so problems are caught early and components are replaced before failure. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors, and for contractors to find work that matches their skills. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we, our neighbors, and professionals exchange practical advice and real-world experiences about issues like heat exchanger, clogging, and safe remediation.